Proper code review plays a major role in ensuring the quality of software code. Today I will help you and let you know the best practices that can be followed for doing quality code review. Review guideline document. Please ensure to have a review guideline document available. This document will help everyone to know what to review, how to review as per project structure, style, design. Review checklist. Please create a review checklist that need to be followed while doing the review of every piece of the code. Checklist item can include naming convention, database modification scripts, security check, common method, duplicate code, database queries optimization, unwanted joins, proper commit messages, and many more. And that list can be a longer as per the requirement. Build and test code. Every reviewer has to build the project and run the unit test cases in order to ensure the working code before starting the review. Ensure peer review and involve everyone. Please make a process of peer review and involve everyone in the code review activity. That will include both junior and senior. That should be a good collaboration. That will let everyone know and push hard to understand the full functionality in order to get him review the code itself. Everyone will get an opportunity to be a part of code review activity. Check correct placement of the code. Review to check a piece of code written is in correct place or not. That is in correct layer and in correct file itself as per the project structure and development guideline. Check methods size and its objective. Review method written should be of small size and addressing a single business objective instead of multiple business objective in the single method. Check for the duplicate methods and check to have a common and reusable methods in order to reduce the maintenance. Security check. Review security points like authorization, role-based access, no open endpoints, response headers, injections as per the security checklist items itself. Database queries. Review all the queries and database keys for the performance. Check all unwanted join and complexities in the queries in order to ensure the high performance. In-person review. Basic review and feedback can be done via a tool like GitHub and any other review tool itself. But sometimes complex functionality code require in-person review with the team. So do schedule as per required. Do a small review and take a break. Do a small piece of code review in one sitting and take a small break. That will help you to do a quality and focused review. Automated code refactoring tool. Use automated code refactoring tool that will suggest code modification which make it easier to maintain, understand and extend without changing its behavior. Proper feedback and review report. Review feedback should be communicated properly to the team. Also prepare a review report that can be used for tracking purpose and can be stored in some repository as a part of process. These are the few best practices, if followed correctly, will help you to do a good quality code review. Please like, subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon in order to get our latest video updates. Thank you.